The 2015-2020 Chevy Tahoe key fob relies on a CR2032 battery, and replacing it is a simple DIY task. First, gather your supplies: a new CR2032 battery, a small flathead screwdriver or plastic pry tool, and gloves to keep the fob clean. To begin, locate the seam on the back of the key fob near the key ring. Gently insert your pry tool into the seam and carefully separate the two halves of the fob. Avoid using excessive force, as the plastic clips can be fragile. Once open, you'll see the CR2032 battery held in place by a metal clip. Use the screwdriver to gently lift the clip and remove the old battery. Note the battery's orientation. The positive plus side faces up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up, ensuring it sits securely. Finally, snap the two halves of the fob back together, pressing firmly until you hear the clips engage. Test the fob by pressing the lock-unlock buttons from a short distance. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, reprogram it through your Tahoe's infotainment system under Settings, Vehicle, Remote Lock-Unlock, or cycle the ignition key 3 times. Always use a genuine OEM or high-quality CR2032 battery like Panasonic to prevent issues. Cold weather can drain batteries faster, so consider replacing them annually. Be careful when opening the fob to avoid cracking the plastic case, which can be costly to replace. Dispose of the old lithium battery properly, as it is hazardous waste. If DIY reprogramming fails, a dealership visit might be necessary. Stay away from third-party modifications, which could void your warranty. Consider upgrading to longer-lasting CR2450 alternatives as your Tahoe ages.